Pakalofalahi atu, pula vinaka, malolele, talofa lava, and warm Pacific greetings. Yes, it's your favorite game show, How Fresh Are You? Let's meet the teams. To my left, your right, musical artist extraordinaire, Sam B and the Western Guide. Welcome, gentlemen.
Yeah.
And does your team have a name?
Of course we do.
Micromen.
Always thinking bigger.
Woo, with a shake even. And to my right, your left, we have two members from the sounds of Salle, Fou and Josh. And gentlemen, do you guys have a cool name for your team?
Oh, we are those guys.
All right, those guys.
Those guys.
Okay, gentlemen, straight to our first game, rapid fire. Okay, gentlemen, we know how this goes. I ask the questions. First to the buzzer gets to answer the questions. Most questions answers wins all the points. Okay?
Yes.
Here we go. Rapid fire. Question number one. Taika Waititi won an Oscar for which one of his movies?
Hunt for the Water People.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Micromen.
What is it called?
He won an Oscar.
The one with the German kid. Jojo Rabbit.
That is correct. Micromen.
Woo! Micromen. Let's go.
Next question. The Melanesian Cup was a championship for what sport? Sam.
Horse racing.
No.
It's not horses, man. That's what I got
Those
wrong.
guys.
Trek. It's like running, sprinting.
Ooh, no. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Touch.
No.
You're a
I'm
sausage,
sorry.
man.
I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. It's very popular in Europe.
Soccer.
Correct, Mundo. Those guys on the board. Here we go.
Give it to me.
This could make things interesting. Next question. Are we ready? What is the currency of Kiribati? Micromen?
The New Zealand currency.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry.
Aha, man.
Those guys?
The Kitty dollars.
I need a little bit more, please.
Was that on the right track?
Yeah, you're on the right track.
Ooh.
The Kiribati dollars.
That is correct. Great guess, Josh. Those guys coming back and taking the lead. Okay, guys. Here we go. Next question. What Pacific actor plays Duncan Idaho in the movie Dune? What?
Jason Momoa.
That is correct. Sam V on it again. Okay, next question. Gentlemen, if you are Chamorro, what Pacific island are you from?
Guam.
Correct. Oh, no hesitation, didn't even think about it, Micromen. There you go, the winners of Rapid Fire, the Micromen. Shot, fellas. Woo. Don't worry, fellas, you got a chance to make a comeback in our next game. Read my lips. Okay, let's play Read My Lips. First team up, we have those guys. Now, this game involves one member of the team with their headphones on and they have to mouth a common phrase and the other team member has to guess it. You only get 1 minute. Josh, here is your first clue. And your 1 minute starts now.
She's my cousin. She's my cousin.
Correct. Next clue, shot, Josh.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I'm
On my way.
gone today.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
That's correct. Shot, Josh. Good stuff, team.
Go make the tea.
Go make the tea.
They're on the roll, they're on the roll.
I'll pay you back. I'll pay you back.
I'll break your back.
I'll pay you back. I'll pay you back.
I'll
Pay you back.
I'll pay
You back.
I'll pay you back.
Yeah, that's correct. Yep, that's a pretty common one. I think we all know that one.
Ask my mom.
I
Ask my
I
mom.
smell This is
5 seconds.
I'm my mum.
Sorry, fellas, your time is up. That was really close. The last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow you. Take your headphones off. Great round, fellas. Okay, over to the Micromen. Good luck, fellas. You have 1 minute. And here is your first clue. And your time starts now.
What time is it?
What time is it?
Correct. Next clue. Oh, off to a great start. Not looking good, fellas.
Scrape the coconut.
Scrape the coconut.
Oh, nice. You've really got it going, these guys.
Okay, let's go. What's your village? What's
Your auntie's name?
What's your village?
Village. What's your village?
Wow, nice.
Thank you, thank you. Let's go. Chop, chop.
Yeah.
Okay.
But slow down.
Fold the mats. Fold the
Fold.
mats.
Fold the pants. The pants. Fold the pants.
Fold the mats.
Fold the pants.
Fold the mats.
Rugs.
The mats.
Oh, the diction.
Mats.
Fold the mats.
Roll the mats.
Fold
the
mats. Yeah.
What take that? Oh, they're humming.
For a feed. Come
Come.
for a feed.
Wow.
Feed.
Feet. Come for a feet.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 seconds.
I have church tomorrow.
Last clue.
I have church tomorrow because I'm a preacher's kid.
Yeah.
Oh, they got it in time. Well done, Micromen. That's all the clues. Sorry, fellas. There you go. Read My Lips 1 taken out by the Micromen with their diction and enunciation. This week's winners of How Fresh Are You? Congratulations, Micromen. Yeah. But because everybody wins on How Fresh Are You, here you go, gentlemen. There's your prize. Well done. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you to all our contestants for coming in, and thank you for joining us. And don't forget to come back next week for another awesome episode of How Fresh Are You? Yeah, yeah.